Good morning, students. Welcome back to digital class. Hope you all are doing fine. So, yesterday we covered globe, uses of globes, location. Let us recollect the yesterday portion. What is globe? The model showing the accurate shape of the earth is called globe. Uses of globes, no need to explain. Then what is location? So, location refers to the place or position that something occupies in space or on earth. So, every place on earth has two types of location. One is relative location, another one is absolute location. What is relative location? The location of the place that we originally referred to is called relative location. For example, if you want to describe the location of your classroom, you may say that it is next to the staff room. So, what is absolute location? Each one of these places has an address of its own. This is called absolute location. For example, so every place has a definite location, be it a city or house or a shop. Then, how do we determine the absolute location of a place? If you want to locate one place, first of all, we must know both its latitudes and longitudes, because the point at which these two lines intersect each other will be the location of that place. The latitudes and the longitudes cross each other and form a network. This network is called grid system called graticule. The grid helps us in locating different places. So, absolute location of a place would be mentioned as a latitude number followed by the longitude number. For example, if you want to locate Mumbai, the absolute location of Mumbai on the globe is 18 degree north latitude and 72 degree east longitude. So, these are all yesterday portion. Today we are going to study about the latitudes. As you have already studied in class 5, what is latitude? Define latitudes. Latitudes are circular imaginary lines that run horizontally in a west-east direction. Look at this picture of latitudes. So, latitudes are imaginary lines that run horizontally. As you know very well, this line is horizontal line. So, like this means vertical line. So, latitudes are imaginary line that run horizontally west east direction. So, this direction west direction, this one east direction. So, the equator is the central latitude as well as the longest one. Where is the equator in this picture? In this picture, equator is here. Here it is equator. So, the equator is the central latitude as well as the longest one. The equator is numbered as 0 degree. Look, the equator is numbered as 0 degree. As you have already studied, this equator divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere lies to the north of the equator. Northern hemisphere lies to the north of the equator, while the southern hemisphere lies to the south of the equator. The equator is the middle of the equator is drawn. So, the equator is drawn in the middle of the earth, halfway between the North Pole and South Pole. Where it is there, North Pole in this picture? So North Pole is, here it is North Pole, here it is South Pole. All the latitudes are measured as angles from the center of the earth. Latitudes are also called parallels of latitude. These latitudes are also called as parallels of latitude. Why? Because they are run parallel to each other. So latitudes are also called parallels of latitude because they run parallel to each other. That is why they called parallels of latitudes. At the poles, they become the points. So the latitudes to the north of the equator, the latitude to the north of the equator is denoted to N. The latitude to the equator are denoted by the letter N, while those south of the equator, if you see the south of the equator, are denoted by the letter S. Actually, the equator is numbered as 0 degree. Okay, but the number of the other latitudes are followed by N. Yes. Is it clear, students? So in this paragraph, latitudes paragraph, we can ask two questions. What are the questions? One is define latitudes. So definition of latitudes. What is that? Latitudes are imaginary lines that run horizontally in a west-east direction. So another one is, why are latitudes also called parallels of latitude? Latitudes are also called parallels of latitude because they run parallel to each other. Is it clear, students? Okay. Let us move on the next paragraph. Important latitudes. What is that? Important latitudes. There are 180. There are 180 parallels of latitudes. 180 parallels of latitudes. There are 90 lines to the north of the equator. 90 lines to the north of the equator and 90 lines to the south of the equator. 90 lines to the north of the equator and 90 lines to the south of the equator. See, 90 lines to the north of the equator and 90 lines to the south of the equator. Thus, in all there are 180 parallels of latitude. So, how many lines of latitudes are there? There are 180 lines of latitudes will be there. So, beside this equator, other important parallels of latitudes are as follows. First one, equator. Okay, already you know equator. So, the equator is numbered as 0 degree. So, the equator is numbered as 0 degree. Then another one is the equator. The Tropic of Cancer. Where it is there in this picture? Look, where is Tropic of Cancer? So beside this equator, other important parallels of latitudes. One is Tropic of Cancer. Where it is the Tropic of Cancer here. It is situated at an angle distance. Angular distance of 2300 of north in the northern hemisphere. This Tropic of Cancer was situated in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn is situated in the southern hemisphere. So remember, the Tropic of Cancer passes almost midway. Tropic of Cancer passes almost midway through India. So the Arctic Circle and Antarctic circles are situated at 66 degrees south and 66.5 degree north respectively. So once again we will see the important latitudes. So there are 180 parallels of latitudes. So 90 to the north and 90 to the south of the equator. So some are considered important latitudes, parallels, as they refer important. One is top equator, as you know very well. The another one is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer situated an angular distance of 20 degree and of north in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn situated at an angular distance of 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Remember, the Tropic of Cancer passes almost midway through India. The Arctic and Antarctic circles are situated at 66.5 degree north and 66.5 degree south respectively. Is it clear, students? So here in this paragraph, important latitudes, in this paragraph we can ask question, how many lines of latitudes are there? Okay, there are 180 lines of latitude will be there. Name some important lines of latitude. Name some important lines of latitude. What are the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, then Arctic, Antarctic circle. Okay. Otherwise, what are the important latitudes that drawn on the globe? Is it clear, students? Hope you all understood. That's all for today class. Please read the chapter after watching this video and write the homework and classwork in your geography copy note and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.